Creating a lucrative business from a simple children's storybook that has garnered over $176,000 in passive income is an exciting endeavor. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of launching a similar venture, leveraging the power of AI technology for a passive income generation journey. Step 1. Generate a compelling story idea with ChatGPT. Explore potential passive income niches on platforms like Amazon. Utilize ChatGPT to generate a captivating story idea. For example, The Adventures of Tommy and Timmy, The Search for the Lost Treasure. Step 2. Develop story. Outline and chapters. Use ChatGPT to create a detailed story outline covering key chapters, such as The Lost Treasure and The Wise Old Parrot. Step 3. Generate illustrations with MIDJOURNEY AI Art Generator. Join the MIDJOURNEY Discord server for free access to AI-generated images. Use the Imagine command with prompts related to your story chapters to generate illustrations. Maintain a consistent, stylistic approach by copying the image link and pasting it for subsequent prompts. Step 4. Add story. Text to images using Canva. Utilize Canva, a user-friendly design tool, to overlay story text onto AI-generated illustrations. Craft a professional-looking storybook without requiring design skills. Step 5. Save as PDF and publish on Amazon. Save the completed storybook as a PDF file. Follow a comprehensive guide, provided in the video description, to publish your book on Amazon. Step 6. Conclude and seek support. Express gratitude for viewers' participation and support. Encourage likes, subscriptions, and engagement for future collaborations. Conclude with a positive message and anticipation for future creative endeavors. In summary, the 6 steps to creating your own storybook and generating passive income are outlined above. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or exploring passive income opportunities for the first time, this concise guide aims to demystify the process and empower you to create a successful storybook business. Happy creating!